Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to animate the text on a story on your Instagram. So here, first thing we're gonna do is go into this at the Instagram story. We can do either go into our profile and then choose the plus button here, and then there are several options that we can use. We can choose the reel if we want to upload the reels, pause, story highlight, and many more. Since we want to edit in story, go into the story options, and then we can choose which picture or which story that we want to put. For me, I want to have this. And then how to make an animate text, go into these features and type what text you want to put. I would like to type pretty as swan. And then how to make this typewriter having animations. If you can see on the right after your keyboard, there are several features or several fonts that we can use for the text. So we can choose either we want to have this or another. Okay, let's try for this one to make it more elegant. Okay, and then after that, on the upper side here, we can see there is several features too. This one to adjusting either the typewriter one to in the center, left side, or in the right side, and this one to adjusting the color. This to make it blocked or not, and this one is for the animate the text. So if we want to put the animation, just click this features, and then it's going into have some effect on our typewriter. If you don't want to have this type of animation, we can choose another fonts here, because different fonts could be have different effects or animation. Okay, I won't have this. If you already choose what font and animation you want, just click done, and now your text is having an animation. So that's all for today's tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.